Back to the Accelevents auction video series. In the final step of our silent auction setup, we'll show you how to activate your account. So you'll notice that during setup, your silent auction will show that it's in test mode. To activate the account, it's really simple. You can either click on test mode, you can click on settings and go to your billing page, or we make this as simple as possible. You can click on the big blue activate button. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to our payments page. In this case, you'll be selecting the silent auction. So you'll click add, and then you can activate and pay. Here you'll be asked to enter your credit card. I'll put in a fake number just for this video. Then you can click make payment. At this point, your auction will be activated. When you see this success message, you know that your auction is now live. Back on the overview page, you'll see that you're activated and your silent auction is ready to go. You can start sharing your auction webpage or your phone number and begin accepting.